Motorola will unveil Moto RAZR 60. Design of the phone will be unique, capable to beating the folding smartphones. This is the flagship phone of the company with high-end specifications. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone will arrive with one of the most powerful chipsets, the Snapdragon 8 with a 4.82 GHz octa-core CPU. In terms of display, it will be made up of LTPO foldable AMOLED panels. You will view things in Full HD Plus display and there will be smooth refresh rate of 165 Hz with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass. The dual camera setup will be used on the back of this amazing phone and main sensor will be 50 megapixel with LED flash. On the top of this display, you will get a sharp 50 megapixel front camera. Android 15 operating system will run with this phone with improved battery life and super fast charging. That's all for now and thanks for watching.